Hi everybody, Eddie the Mouth out in Buffalo, New York. Looks like we had deer come over. I see some more back in the fields back there. Let's see if we can get them to come over too. There's a plane going, so I don't know if they'll hear me. Come on! Come on! Come on! I guess this one understands English. Came running. Come on, come here. What's up? What's up, guys? Yeah, they're all coming. Just takes one. What's up? Came running, huh? Hey, where you going? Where you going? You ran right by. Huh. Look at you. Look at that little one there. So they did all come over. That one's lagging behind. You're last. Nope, maybe you're not. And one of them way back there didn't even come. He's still back there grazing. No, that's Buster way back there. I could tell by his crooked leg. I see him way back there. You see him? Hey, Buster, you coming over? Come here. No. He's just happy. He's like, I got the best grazing now that they all left. I'm just gonna stay put. Got some geese back there. Hey you, what's up? What's up? What's up, big girl? It's Barbie. You can tell by her big barrel body. Well, if you guys all like the content, like and subscribe.